Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you are new, my name is Nikki and I do all kinds of different unboxings here. We do makeup hauls, we do makeup looks. So if you enjoy subscription boxes and makeup, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love for you to join our YouTube family. And guys, as you can see from the title down below, today we do have our March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now this is the middle sister to the Ipsy family. There is the Ipsy Glam Bag that is $12 a month, and you receive 5 deluxe and occasionally full-size items in that bag, again for $12. This, again, is the middle sister. You receive 5 full-size items for $25, and then they have like the big sister, the ultimate, which is $50, and you are supposed to receive 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe size items. The one thing I do like, Ipsy now does give you the option for every subscription level to choose one of the items that will be in your box. So let's see. Ipsy Plus has been, honestly, in my opinion, probably the best of the 3 the last few months. So let's get in here and see what we got. Again, this is March 2020. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Ipsy if you have not already. So when you open it, it says Discover Yourself, and it has the orange foam. And we peel that back, and this is what we see. So there is a card here on top. And the theme this month is Celebrate You. This is their 100th glam bag month. So yay, congratulations, Ipsy. So it says, let's high five how far we've come and where we're going. To get the party started, we've added a bonus product as a thank you for being along for the ride. Open your 6 Glam Bag Plus picks valued at $120 or more and cue the confetti. It is time to have some fun. So that is one thing too, because it, like again, this was the month where they celebrated their 100th glam bag. So they did add 1 bonus item to every tier of their subscriptions, which I thought was very nice of them. So thank you, Ipsy. All right, so let's get started. And here is the bag. Now, I think this bag is super cute this month. I like this envelope style. Of course, I love this color. And then it is like this almost creamy silver type color with Ipsy here. It has the button closure. When you open it, it's like, whoa! And it says Unstoppable. And then it does have the Ipsy logo inside. So this is a super cute bag. I really do like the bag this month. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing here, and if I'm not mistaken, I got this in a FabFitFun or something. I've gotten this before. This is the coffee scrub, and this is a coconut, and it says this is $21.99. It says, turns out coffee isn't just for your morning zing. It's also packed with antioxidants, which are great at repairing and protecting your skin too. This coffee-infused scrub buffs and moisturizes with grapeseed oil, almond oil, and vitamin E, so your skin will feel smooth, not stripped. So, like I said, I've gotten this before in, I believe it was FabFitFun. I don't know that it was coconut scented though, so it's definitely getting to that time of year where you really, really want to exfoliate because you're going to be showing more skin. So, I mean, it's good to exfoliate, obviously, year-round because in the winter, your skin tends to be a little bit drier. But, again, you're showing more skin in the spring and summer, so take care of it. All right. So, then we have got... This is actually the item I chose. Now, I typically would not have chosen this item because this honestly is not my favorite brand. I'll be completely honest. It's from the Balm, and it is the Day to Night eyeshadow palette, and it's like metal, like tin, Auto Balm. But honestly, this month, the choices really weren't the best in my opinion. I was really shocked because I'm like, what are you doing, Ipsy? So Again, this is the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Day to Night. This is valued at $26.50. Scoring the perfect smoky eye just got so much easier. Wear any combo of matte and shimmer shades on bare lids. They go on smooth and are ultra blendable, or layer them over the black primer for a fun shade shifting effect. A black primer. There seriously is a black primer in here. That is so weird. A black, I've never seen a black primer, eyeshadow primer. This convertible primer will dramatically transform your shadow color. What? Well, I do have to say, I really do like, we've got 5 mattes, 5 shimmers, 2 mattes, and then apparently a primer. So I think that is so pretty. This black primer just has me so intrigued. But again, here we have the palette. I'm not going to swatch it just yet, but it does also have, you can see here, it does have a nice mirror and it does snap close. So there is that guy. Then from Phase Zero Makeup, matte liquid lipstick in Undercover. This is the box. And this is $16. Matte lipstick isn't going anywhere anytime soon, so make this trendy liquid lipstick a staple in your spring makeup wardrobe. This mauve rose shade is gorgeous on every skin tone, and the non-drying matte texture lasts for hours without fading, smearing, or feathering. All right, so let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is pretty. And again, the shade name is Undercover. That is very pretty. I think I have a shade similar to this, but this is definitely a really great shade for spring and summer. So I really like that. All right, and then we have from Melon and Goat's Revitalizing Eye Gel. I always put it like where you have to kind of hold it that way. Your delicate eye area is the first to show signs of aging, so give it love with this multitasking eye gel. The lightweight texture soaks into skin without leaving behind any annoying residue and helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark circles. And this is $42. Wow. I love a good eye cream, because if I can stop wrinkles and all of that, I am all about it. So here is the package outside, or the product outside, and it has the little pump. So there is that guy. And moving right along, we have 2 more products. The next product here is from Serafim Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner in Black. You know, I honestly, at this point, I'm really starting to feel that it wouldn't be an Ipsy box if there wasn't a black liquid liner. Just saying. $18, I apologize. Cat eye goals coming right up. This liner has a micro tip that dispenses the perfect amount of jet black pigment so you can get the perfect flick every single time. Plus, the fade-proof water-resistant formula stays put on your lids for hours. So, it's vegan, GMO, and gluten-free, also it's cruelty-free. So, I mean, I do like all of that about it. I just really don't use liquid liners. And even in a box, I do like that it does have, I don't know, you can probably see it does have a safety seal on there. So, I don't know. No mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, hypoallergenic. It does have kale and ginkgo biloba extracts. That's interesting. All right. And then we have one more product. Again, I'm not sure which one would be our bonus product because we do have 6 products. But I mean, they're all kind of in the price range. I mean, I would assume maybe the eyeliner or the lip would be the bonus. Here we have from Hey Honey, I love this brand, Trick and Treat Concealer. Cream concealer with treatment benefits. This is for light to medium, and it's for all skin types. So there is that guy. Skincare meets makeup with this medium coverage concealer. Active ingredients like moisturizing proline and antibacterial propolis extract help treat imperfections, while triple pigment technology instantly diffuses the look of dark circles, redness, and breakouts. This is $36 for this little, well, I know Hey Honey is an expensive brand, but $36? Wow. So, okay. We got the Hey Honey concealer. We got the Melon and Goat's eye gel, the Phase Zero liquid lip, the Serafim Botanicals liquid eyeliner, the coconut coffee scrub, and the Balm Cosmetics day to night eyeshadow palette. And we did get a really cute bag. Now, I am definitely excited about this because I love Hey Honey. And I know I chose this, but like I said, the options to choose really weren't the best. So I kind of had to go with what of those items I thought I would enjoy. So I really don't know how I feel about this box. I mean, yeah, it's good to exfoliate. It's good to have eye creams, but I have quite a few. I feel like I have this same color lippy. It's not really something I use, and I seem to get this every month. So I'm just kind of like, Ipsy, what are you doing? So yeah, there's our 6 products. I'll add the total and put it down here on the screen for you guys so you can see the total value of my box. I paid $25, so I mean, I do think the value is there. Am I completely like jumping for joy and like, yay with these products this month? No. This, to me personally, is one of my least favorite boxes for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Let me know if we were box twins. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one.